Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we are making the ultimate appetizer, shrimp cocktail. For this recipe we are using 2 pounds of 16 to 20 count shrimp, peeled and deveined with the tails left on. Transfer the shrimp onto a large baking sheet. With paper towels, pat dry to remove most of the moisture. Then drizzle about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Season with half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Give them a toss to ensure that they are coated in the salt and pepper. Now bake at 450 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until they turn pink and are cooked all the way through. And after 10 minutes, they should look like this. Transfer onto a serving platter and let them cool off at room temperature. After they have cooled off at room temperature, transfer to the fridge for at least 1 hour or even overnight. Now to make the cocktail sauce, in a small mixing bowl add in half a cup of ketchup, half a cup of chili sauce, 3 tablespoons of prepared horseradish or to taste, the juice of 1 full lemon, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of Tabasco sauce or to taste. Then we whisk it all together. Keep the sauce and the shrimp in the fridge until ready to serve. Serve with a few lemon wedges and the amazing cocktail sauce that we created, of course. There you guys have it, shrimp cocktail. Enjoy, buen provecho, and thanks for watching.